Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you advanced freeze frame tutorial on Capcut. So I have this video. Better if you have a video when you are running and when you are walking than the video that I have today. And the next step is you can click on the clip, and then I want to copy the video first. You can swipe right until you find copy here. Then click copy. So I have two videos here. Then I will choose first clip, and after that I will choose style and swipe right. Then click the first freeze frame here. Then I will choose the second clip, and after that I will click on the style again and apply the second freeze frame effects. The video will look like this. So this is our fun freeze frame tutorial on Capcut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.